Today we'll discuss about how to create a text or quizzes in mathematics, physics and other subjects, and how to solve the complex problem by using solveai.com. First of all, type solveai in web browser. You can see here in these types of platform. Then you can click sign with Google. You can choose the Google account and then click on continue. This solveai can help to solve the complex problem by pasting the text. For example, a mathematical question about set. You can click submit. Submitted. Question is here. In a survey of players asked with the running seal monthly municipality, the ratio of the number of players like football and volleyball, they 16 like play both games, 29 kabaddi only play like none of them, and the number of players who play kabaddi games. Answer is here. To find the player kabaddi, we have the players likely only kabaddi and those who like both games. 45. Second question, number B, and the number of players who like volleyball. These are the solution of this question. Similarly, we can find the solution of other question. We can solve the problem related with image. For example, there is one of an unknown angle E. So we can ask the question. Question is find the angle E from the given figure and click on send. It takes number of seconds. There is solution of this question. From the above triangle ABC, the sum of the angle of triangle is 180 degree. Let angle B be x. We can set up the equation 50 plus x plus 45 equal to 180 degree. Then we will get the value of x equal to 85. The angle of B is 85. Similarly, we can make a equation from best textbook, objective base, anyone. We can paste the text in total 10,000 round. We can paste the text here around 10,000 word. Title make a quiz question, multiple choice question, number of question, like 15 number of question, MC question, subject, history. At last we can click on generate. Option is here. Highest peak of Nepal, which is National Park, Nepal UNESCO, World Heritage Site and home to Mount Everest. Here are 15 questions. You can submit. You can choose the appropriate answer of this question. It helps to practice and learn or study yourself. At last, choose a short question, a number of question like minimum 5, subject, history. You can click on generate. 5 question. Describe the geographical diversity of Nepal and its 3 main geographical regions. Like this, here is the 5 question. So all answers here. It helps to learner to learn themselves. Nepal's geographic diversity ranges from the Tarai Plains, the 60-meter to Tarai Himalayan peak extending meter. The 3 main geographic regions are like this. This Solvi AI also helped the researcher or writer to write according Ford command like this. Citation. I think it is helpful for students and teacher to solve the problem and create the question and test. Thanks for watching.